They don't begin to take everything, they suppress every other person. Nobody to talk again. Then they focus on how to get their own, get the money, get their money, get money, go abroad and so many other places. But we will never forget Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because that man is a hero. Very bold, say it, expose everything. In fact, the man don't do him work. He has done a lot of things. Now, these other things is left for the rest of us. He don't talk him. Even to the extent that he exposed so many other things where they do other regions. Some of them don't begin to know all those lies and plans where they take the plan to really take over their communities. So